Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can deactivate your messenger. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your messenger app. Now from your messenger account, go to settings. Now from settings, scroll down until you see Meta Account Center. From your Meta Account Center, go to Personal Details. From your personal details, you can see Account Ownership and Control. Just tap on that. From here, we can now deactivate your Messenger account. From Account Ownership and Control, just tap on Deactivation or Deletion. You can choose to deactivate your account temporarily. Just select on any of the options. Now from here, scroll down and then tap on Continue. We just need to confirm temporary account deactivation. So before you deactivate Messenger, you can reactivate it at any time through Account Center. Now just tap on Deactivate My Account to deactivate your Messenger account. And also, you have to remember that before doing this, make sure that your Facebook account is already been deactivated. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.